What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, and no, your eyes are not deceiving you. I am back here to bring you guys a Monday motivation for this week. So of course, it has been a long time since I brought you guys a Monday motivation, and that's kind of going to run on to the topic of today's video, which is push, push, push. So we're going to dive into all those details today. And I'm going to explain why you need to keep pushing, how you can push, the importance of pushing, why I'm going to use that as the message, the motivation for this week. And we're going to dive into all those factors in just a second. But before we do that today, the first thing I want you to do is not actually hit the like button, so you don't have to get annoyed or worried about that. The very first thing I want you to do is go check out this website. Go have a look at this time and get you some nice plant-derived skincare products. So there's a lot of different products on this website. I really want you guys to go and have a look. You can get different soaps, different scrubs, different facial rubs, different candles, all sorts of stuff. I want you guys to go and have a look, because at a time like this is the kind of thing you need to just lift up your mood, to brighten up your spirit. It's good for you spiritually, mentally, psychologically. These are the kind of things you can use to help yourself. So just go on this website. It's nothing too costly. No, I don't own it. So just in case you're wondering, I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not getting any commission. I'm honestly not promoting this on my own behalf. Go have a look. Have a look at what you can find. Any soaps, any candles, any face scrubs, anything you want, but it's just going to lift your mood, help you guys feel a lot better. Honestly, the cleansing of the soul is important. So maybe a good way to start off your week this week is just get something which could potentially help you lift your mood going into the rest of the month. Now, speaking of the rest of the month, today is the first Monday of September. This is the first week, the first full week of September, and that's why I'm telling you guys it's time to push, push, push. But yeah, definitely go check the website out, please. Have a look around. I'm going to drop the link in the description. It's going to be that first link in the description. And I'm also going to drop it in the comment section and I'll pin it. Make sure you guys go check this website out. Refer it to a friend. Show other people. You guys know about sharing. So sharing is caring. But yeah, please do that. It will show great support. Again, it's not mine. I do not own it. I'm not affiliated with it. But one thing you can do for me as well is also, of course, comment on the video. Drop your thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to go check out that website. And yeah, share these videos, help someone else brighten their mood. And the last thing I want you guys to do, if you're not subscribed already, is hit the red button. Please do subscribe to the channel. It does help in a beautiful way. We just passed 2.5k subscribers a couple of days ago, so a huge shout out to you guys, huge thank you to you guys. Couldn't have done it without you, of course. But let's dive right into today's video. Let's jump into the topic of today, which is push, push, push. So we have entered the last third of the year. That means that there's about 17 or 18 weeks left. We've gone past summer now. We've gone past the first half of the year. So if you've been waiting and you've been slacking, you've been waiting around, hanging around for summer before you do something, or the second half of the year before you do something, or this time before you do something, you probably noticed that the months are flying by. So now I want you to push, focus on pushing. Everybody has their goals, everybody has what they want to achieve this year. How far are you along the way? You might have already accomplished all your goals for this year. If you have, then this video is probably not relevant to you, let's be honest. But if you haven't, guess what? This video is definitely relevant to you. And to be honest, even if you have accomplished your goals for this year, you can still push. You might still not want to take your foot off the gas because there's a couple of different reasons. Let's start off with the first reason, which is the momentum. The momentum it builds when you keep your foot on the gas. You do not let off. You don't get comfortable. You don't start slacking. That is deadly. That is what creates winners in this world. If you can keep your foot on the gas, keep pushing hard, keep driving for whatever you're trying to achieve, keep striving for your greatness in whatever specific area it can be, that is what's going to get you to the next level. Now also, if you have not achieved what you'd like to yet, I'm probably one of those, well, guess what guys? It is time to push because the weeks are flying by. Let's be honest, when was the last time I uploaded a Monday motivation? I think it was probably June, maybe July, like a real proper video for you guys. I don't remember, but that's my point here. But let's say I wanted to upload one every single week. Now just to clarify, that was not my aim, but let's say that was my intention. Well, all those weeks have passed by now and I'm here and I'm like, okay, well, I could have uploaded one last week. I could have uploaded one a few times in August. I could have uploaded one a few times in July. You might have missed out, like I have missed out on that. Again, that was not one of my goals, but this is an example. That is why I'm saying you need to push, because you might have slacked off on your goals. You might have slacked off on your targets for 2021. You might have slowed down just because of summer, again, because of so many different factors. But it's time to push. If you took a step back and took your foot off the gas, which is sometimes okay, it's time to get back at it. If you're someone who's been pushing hard, do not let up, do not let off. You want to finish the year strong. You probably want to go into the last quarter of the year on the right foot, on the right note. And that's why I'm also saying you probably want to go into this month, the rest of this month, on the right foot. I want you guys to push hard this month. I want you guys to start taking yourself to the next level. If you don't take yourself to the next level, then you're going to be stuck in the same place you were in August, in July, in June, in whatever month previously. You need to start pushing. You need to start finding something within you to drive you. It might be this video. It might be someone telling you it's time to push. It might be the fact that you haven't picked up the right results so far. It could be the fact that you're unhappy with where you are right now. That could, again, there's so many different things you guys are trying to do. That could go for weight loss goals, that could go for financial goals, that could go for your studies, that could go for so many different areas, health-wise, fitness-wise. Again, so many different areas. It could be spiritually, it could be mentally. You guys need to say to yourself, all right, I have slacked until now, or I have not done enough until now, or I've done well till now, but I don't want to let off. And again, your reminder might come from so many different areas. But I'm telling you, I'm giving you guys that incentive. I'm pushing you guys to push yourselves. I'm going to push myself. I'm using this video to push myself because I know that once I upload this, there's going to be something that clicks and says, okay, remember you had this and this goal for September, let's start working towards that. I know some of you guys are going to watch this, even if you don't watch the whole video, you're going to say, yeah, I need to keep pushing for my goals. I need to stop slacking. I need to not let up, not take my foot off the gas. I need to keep striving for better because I have stuff I want to achieve in 2021 and we're getting closer to the end now, we're creeping there. Where did the first 34, 35 weeks of 2021 go? They went like that, they vanished. And you might have witnessed the same situation in 2020, especially during the pandemic. You might have witnessed the same situation for multiple years on end right now. But it's all good, guys. We're here in the present day. No matter what's happened 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 2 weeks ago, we have the power, we have the ability to change that. It is not too late to start pressing down. It's not too late to start working hard and pressuring ourselves, to be honest, to make things happen. It is not too late. We can start right now. We can start today. I know for those of you who are in the US, it's Labor Day weekend. What better time to start on whatever you wanted to accomplish personally than today? Now, of course, if you want to accomplish certain things which involve maybe your job, well, yeah, if you're not working today, it might be a bit different scenario for you. But the majority of you have your own personal goals. You might have your own business goals, you have your own financial goals, you have your own health goals, you have your own whatever kind of goals it may be. I guarantee you guys, if you can just start today, build up that first, those first few steps of momentum, say, start today and then maybe do something tomorrow as well, maybe repeat it Wednesday, Thursday. You're going to take that to the rest of the month. You do it for, 2 or 3 weeks straight, however long they say it takes to build a habit, 21 days. You do it that period of time. You're going to carry it into October, you're going to carry it into November, you're going to finish strong into December. You're going to go into 2022 on the right foot as well. All these things are like a chain reaction. All these things build momentum, keeping your foot on the gas, knuckling down and saying, I want to do this, I want to achieve this, and making it happen. All of that is definitely possible. All it takes is you to start today. Again, it's a simple message. Push, push, push. You want to end the year strong and take that into 2022. My aim here is to motivate you in doing that. But I can only say so much. As they say, you can take the horse to the water and lead it to the water, but you can't make it drink. I can't make you drink. I can't make you decide to take action. I can tell you, I can ramble here all day, but it's up to you to take action. I know after this video, I'm going to take action. How many of you guys are going to do the same? There's enough of you out there who want to read 20 pages of your book today, or 20 pages of a book per day, but you have not managed that for 2 months straight. Now's your time to do that. Now is the time to make it happen. Start with those 20 pages. Before you know, it's going to be 30 pages, 40 pages, 50 pages. And also the other way around. If you know you want to hit 20 pages, but you're struggling to hit that, start slower. Start with those 5 pages, then 10 pages, then 15 pages, and watch how you build up. But you've got to push. You've got to start taking action. You've got to start making a way for yourself. You've got to start waking up with intent. You've got to start making things happen. For yourself, for your future self. There's enough of you out there who have been slacking. There's enough of you out there who have taken a step back. There's enough of you out there who don't know what you've been doing all this while the time's been flying by. It is time to make it happen. It is time to start working towards your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, what you want to accomplish. And I'm just going to finish by saying this. Those of you who take Monday to Friday and you work your jobs and you put in all that effort, all those hours, commuting, working, taking a short break, putting in as much hours as possible, putting in all the effort, doing overtime, for somebody else's goals and dreams, and you have your own goals and dreams, but you know you kind of only work an hour or two every week, or maybe only a few minutes here and there each day, you don't need any more motivation. You should be telling yourself, hey, I managed to commute 2 hours, I managed to get up at this time, I managed to put in these hours for somebody else's goals and dreams. I need to start doing it for myself. If you want to split 40, 50 hours of your week and use that purely for someone else's, but you can't take 4 or 5 hours a week for yourself, you obviously know you're not doing the right thing. If you are putting in another 20, 30 hours for yourself every single week, oh, trust me, it's going to add up and it's going to get you to where you desire to be. It might not happen today, it might not happen this week, it might not happen this year. In due time, you're going to get there. I guarantee you guys that. I want you guys to succeed. Those of you who tune in here constantly, those of you who not only trade stocks with me in the Discord or in the stock market, not only you guys who got the starter pack and supported me that way, not only you guys, but everyone who watches these videos, everyone who takes their time out to support, even if you don't really support, but you're here, you're listening, hopefully you can succeed. I'm trying to influence as many people to become better, to become more financially aware, to become more in control of their life, on the right path to chasing their goals and dreams, leveling up, becoming the best version of themselves. So with this video, I hope I've done that in some form. Again, yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded a Monday motivation video, and it's been mostly stocks, mostly financial videos recently, but here's that Monday motivation video, so hopefully you guys value it. As always, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. First link in the description is not the stock option starter pack. It is a website you guys need to go and check out. Find yourself some nice products, look what you can find there. Trust me, it's going to benefit you. Also check out the other links in the description. We do have the stock option starter pack. We do have the Discord where we trade stocks. Come and join us in there. We have the premium Discord as well. And also make sure you guys check out the link to Time Gear watches, my smartwatch company. Trying to take that to the next level as well. And if I don't push, if I don't announce it, if I don't say that kind of thing, then I'm stopping myself from growing. So once again, US folks, enjoy your Monday, enjoy your long weekend, enjoy your Labor Day. Everybody else, let's make sure we have a great week. Hopefully you use this message to kickstart your week today. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I got money to making, you got money to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.